You may be just starting your cloud journey, been doing it for over a year, or have already migrated a large number of services to the cloud. While most IT organizations look to leverage to the cloud to free up IT resources, increase speed, and reduce cost, they lack the critical capabilities to achieve these migrations in a seamless, optimized way. In this video, we will take a look as to what is needed to accelerate cloud adoption. When migrating to the cloud, there are many different options and strategies that you can take. For instance, you could opt for a lift and shift approach involving the transfer of data and applications from the data center to the cloud. Alternatively, the move and improve approach involves modernizing parts of your application without throwing the whole thing away. And finally, the rip and replace approach, where you're building your application from scratch to become cloud native. There are other migration paths, including cloud to cloud or cloud to on-premise, but for simplicity in this video, we are focusing on lift and shift or rehosting. Here are 7 steps to ensuring a cost-effective, fast, and low-risk approach to migrating your workloads to the cloud. The first is to understand the assets and their relationships across the on-premise infrastructure using agentless discovery. This approach is super fast, helping you to gain complete visibility within 30 days. Now, we need to work out how much of these resources are consumed by the applications and services. This will help to work out migration path and priorities. And using advanced predictive analytics, we can also project costs of running the cloud to identify the most appropriate tariffs from cloud providers running your target workloads without having left the comfort of your chair. Once you have finalized your migration priorities, the lifting and shifting can start using automated techniques made available by the cloud providers. But our work is not done yet. Although cloud provides huge flexibility and value, mastering and optimizing running costs in the cloud can be tricky. So the next 3 capabilities are key in maintaining costs under control. Once in the cloud, workload optimization and assessment must continue to ensure services are optimally resourced and any wastage is eradicated. As the migration progresses, there is continued need to focus on cloud costs. But be warned, this can be a seriously labor-intensive activity. To address this, we use machine learning to identify anomalies and predict budget overruns before they happen. This will also help accounting departments for reconciling cloud invoices with usage. These 7 steps are relevant no matter where you are in your journey. If you're just starting, naturally the focus is mostly on discovery, modeling, and forecasting. But as you progress with your migration initiatives, requirements will naturally move on to cost optimization, automation, and identifying new candidates for migration. Over the past 3 years, we have worked very closely with BMC software and major cloud providers, creating managed service offers spanning right across the steps that we just covered. And here are some proof points. One of the world's leading oil companies optimized its on-premise SAP application footprint by 20% in preparation for migration to SAP HANA in the cloud. A large financial institution optimized resource utilization across 3,500 servers as part of their journey to the cloud, resulting in £1.2 million of savings. And a major European bank used modeling and forecasting capabilities to ensure 100% banking regulation compliance once migrated to the cloud, saving in excess of 1.5 million euros. In summary, for your cloud initiatives to work efficiently, define your objectives and where you intend to get to by adopting cloud. Clearly articulate the anticipated benefits: greater operational efficiency, flexibility, agility, increased revenue generation, reduce cost, enhance security, better risk management, and so on. Then use a 7-step plan to understand what you have, assess and prioritize your workload for migration, and ensure continued monitoring of cloud usage and costs. Remove any of these elements and the case for change will become much harder to make, or you'll end up with a suite of cloud solutions that will cost more in total and may actually inhibit your agility. Right, now it's your turn to let me know how you're progressing with your cloud migration plans. Leave me comments below or drop me an email. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, auf Wiedersehen.